All right, so today we're unboxing the Hiboy KS4 Pro. And I'm pretty excited about this because the only Hiboy we've reviewed before was the S2, which was great bang for the buck. And so I'm really looking forward to seeing what this one's like. Let's open it up. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay. It's black. Our S2 is kind of gray. I have to say I like the black of this one better. This is the KS4 Pro, which retails for about $700. They also have a KS4 base model that's about $100 cheaper. This one's got the big motor with 500 watts and a bigger battery, whereas the base model is 350 watts. So it comes with a 2-amp charger, which is nice. It's on the larger side or the faster side of most of the chargers that we see. They range from 1.5 to 2 amps. Then we've got the manual and the tools, and let's put it together. All right, let's have a look at the display. That's cool, some bright colors. Looks like we've got thumb throttle and just one brake lever, so that's probably controlling the regen front and disc rear. It's got 10-inch solid tires that look quite a bit wider than the tires on the S2, so I'm really excited to try these out and see how they feel. I also love the look of the rubber deck. They've got some new stuff going on here with a black rubber grip tape and a really nice pattern. It looks like it's got suspension on the back, but right now it feels really stiff, so we'll have to see how that feels out on the road. I can't wait to get this charged up and go test it.